All right, guys. I'm just doing a little game play, little MAME play. Of course, this is Berzerk. This has always been one of my favorite games. I think my personal high score is somewhere between 14,000 that I probably got on MAME. No, I've had two Berzerk games, so I'm sure it was on a Berzerk. Probably about 10, 15 years ago or so. Anyway, this game is really cool. It's maze base here. You're that guy, and starts off with non-shooting yellow guys, and then it gradually gets harder and harder until you get up to between 7,500 and 8,000. The robots are white, and they shoot really fast, and they're tough. It really ups the difficulty at that point. My strategy, what I always like to do is I always exit to the right, if possible. Exit to the right. Always start off with the fire button down and shooting this way, and hopefully there's not a guy angling shooting me. But yeah, I always go this way, and it's just sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. I mean, sometimes they pop out and they're perfectly right there to kill you. So, but yeah, it's a super cool game. I'm gonna do a little gameplay here. Hopefully, I can get to 10,000. But I don't know. We'll see. All right. And the characters. This guy has a name. This is Evil Otto. For those who didn't know. Evil Otto. Awesome artwork. It's, classic for this time period. It's like comic book artwork. Really, really cool. So without further ado, let's play a game of Berzerk.
Target. Destroy it. It's a humanoid. Intruder alert, intruder alert.
Kill the intruder.
The intruder must not escape. Intruder alert, intruder alert. The intruder must not escape. Kill the intruder.
Target.
Intruder alert, intruder alert. Kill it.
Shoot it.
The humanoid must not escape. Attack the intruder. Kill the intruder. Charge intruder alert, intruder alert.
The humanoid must not escape.
Attack the intruder. Intruder alert, the humanoid must not escape.
Destroy the intruder.
Attack the humanoid. Intruder alert, intruder alert.
The humanoid must not escape.
The intruder must not escape. Got the humanoid.
Got the intruder.
Attack the intruder. Charge the intruder. Attack the humanoid. Shoot the humanoid. Intruder alert, intruder alert. The intruder must not escape. Get the humanoid.
Destroy the humanoid.
Intruder alert, intruder alert. The humanoid must not escape. Charge the humanoid. Kill the humanoid.
Get it.
Intruder alert, intruder alert.
The humanoid must not escape. Charge the humanoid.
Intruder alert, intruder alert. The humanoid must not escape.
Shoot it.
Attack the intruder. Intruder alert, intruder alert.
The intruder must not escape.
Got the humanoid.
Got the intruder.
Shoot it. Destroy the intruder. Intruder alert, intruder alert. The intruder must not escape.
Attack it.
Get it. Intruder alert, intruder alert. Got
Damn
the
it.
humanoid.
Got the intruder.
Attack it. Intruder alert, intruder alert.
Charge the humanoid. Shoot it. The intruder must not escape. Get it.
Intruder alert, intruder alert. Attack it.
The intruder must not escape.
White boys.
Destroy the humanoid. Destroy the humanoid. Attack the intruder. Intruder alert, intruder alert. intruder alert, intruder alert.
Charge the intruder.
Dang!
Human
Darn it! I
Charge
couldn't
the
outrun him.
intruder.
Alright.
Coins detected in pocket.
I think my high score on Berzerk is like 13,000 something. I don't really care for this joystick. It's hard to play with this joystick. It's like a worn out Atari joystick. Doesn't work very good. But yeah. Yeah, I didn't even make 10,000. That's not very good. Alright.